So guys, the S8 behind me is absolutely filthy. We're going to be cleaning it. So yeah, let's get started with that. Look at how filthy it is. Mine's already dirty anyway. But yeah, let's get it cleaned and move it back. So guys, it's bare bright, but I've just rinsed the car with some pre-wash. As you can see, it's pretty clean and I'm happy with it. So I'm just waiting for the exhaust to arrive. DPD driver says probably about an hour away. But yeah, let's wait for that exhaust to come and move it back. Right guys, as you can see, the exhaust has finally come. So let's get it unboxed and I'll show you guys what I've ordered. Yo guys, we've got the exhaust here and I'm just gonna open it all, so just be very careful with this blade. Right. Right guys, the moment of truth. Was this purchase from China even worth it? Wow. So we've got the remotes for the valves. This is a mid pipe without the reses and an X pipe. These are, I think, the end pipes, and the back boxes are also there. Right guys, we've got the exhaust system here, and to be honest, the welds are pretty good on it. I think it's missing like 2 clamps, but that shouldn't be anything major. But I'm just going to jack the car up now and I'm going to fit it to the car, and I'm going to show you some sound clips now of what it sounded like before, and you guys tell me what you think of the improvement.